Have you ever wondered about the driving force behind the companies that are changing the way we work? In an increasingly globalized and remote-friendly world, platforms that connect businesses with specialized talent are becoming indispensable. But who is at the helm of these innovative enterprises, steering their vision and growth? Today, we're diving deep into one such company that's making waves in the remote work landscape, Overpass. And the burning question on everyone's mind is, who is the CEO of Overpass? Before we unveil the individual leading Overpass, let's set the stage. What exactly is Overpass, and why is its leadership so relevant in today's professional climate? Overpass is a global talent marketplace and payment facilitation platform that empowers businesses to easily and sustainably find, interview, hire, and pay pre-vetted remote sales and support professionals worldwide. Think of it as a bridge connecting companies that need to scale their sales and customer service operations with a vast pool of skilled, remote talent. The traditional hiring model often involves geographic limitations, lengthy recruitment processes, and significant overhead costs. Overpass aims to disrupt this by offering a streamlined solution. Businesses can open a free account, browse profiles, listen to voice samples, and filter candidates by industry and experience. The platform facilitates interviews, hiring, and even onboarding in a matter of days, not weeks. This efficiency is a game changer for companies looking to quickly expand or optimize their remote workforce. Founded in 2014, Overpass has evolved from an initial vision of providing quick access to qualified sales talent to a comprehensive platform with over 90 releases and continuous improvements. They understood early on that call centers often suffered from reputational issues, and traditional freelance marketplaces lacked industry-specific experts. Hiring in-house was expensive and often came with high turnover rates. Seeing a gap in the market for a suitable solution, they built Overpass. The company's mission is to remove obstacles and make remote work sustainable for both companies and contractors. They provide robust compliance and reporting features, integrated payroll, and detailed performance insights. This allows businesses to monitor key metrics, track utilization, and even implement outcome-based commission structures. For the remote professionals, Overpass offers opportunities for sustainable work, with a focus on fair payment and transparent processes. The growth of Overpass is a testament to the increasing demand for remote work solutions. The COVID-19 pandemic accelerated this trend, pushing many businesses to adopt remote models out of necessity. However, even as the world returns to a new normal, the benefits of remote work, access to a wider talent pool, reduced office overhead, and increased flexibility remain compelling. Companies are realizing that a distributed workforce can be just as, if not more, productive and efficient. Overpass isn't just about finding sales reps. It's about building a robust, global, remote sales and support infrastructure. They offer tools for setting up calling campaigns, managing communications, and gaining a 360-degree view of customer and prospect interaction history. This comprehensive approach is what sets them apart and makes their platform so valuable to businesses looking to thrive in the remote economy. So, with all this context about Overpass and its significant role in the remote work landscape, it becomes even more crucial to understand who is leading this innovative company. Who is the individual responsible for guiding Overpass's strategy, fostering its growth, and ensuring it continues to meet the evolving needs of businesses and remote professionals alike? The CEO of Overpass is Levi Popak. Levi Popak is not just a corporate leader. He's a visionary entrepreneur with a strong track record of building successful businesses. His journey began with a keen sense of curiosity, creativity, and a relentless determination to make a positive global impact. Before founding Overpass, he grew Empower Energy into a powerhouse in the renewable energy space, spanning 11 offices, 9 states, and working with 30 utilities. His mission for a greener planet led him to bring sustainable energy solutions into the homes and businesses of tens of thousands. The insights and learnings gained from Power's success profoundly influenced his decision to launch Overpass. Levi recognized an opportunity to leverage technology to bring transparency and accountability to businesses, offering them the same trust and confidence in their remote workforce as they would have in an in-house team. Simultaneously, He saw the potential to create sustainable remote work opportunities for a global talent pool. This dual focus on empowering businesses and providing accessible work for individuals underscores his commitment to positive, sustainable impact. As the founder and CEO of Overpass, Levi Popak has been instrumental in shaping the company's direction and success. He has consistently emphasized the importance of removing obstacles to remote work and has steered the development of a platform that simplifies hiring, management, and payment for remote sales and support teams. His leadership has guided Overpass in building a pre-vetted marketplace where businesses can find experienced professionals, ensuring quality and efficiency. Levi's commitment extends beyond the boardroom. He is actively involved in his local community and charitable organizations, demonstrating his dedication to creating a positive impact beyond the business realm. He also prioritizes his family, dedicating his evenings to spending time with his wife and 6 children. This holistic approach to life and business speaks volumes about his character and values. Under Levi Popak's leadership, Overpass has achieved significant milestones, including the official beta launch of its talent marketplace in 2018 and the continuous development of features that enhance agent performance, provide administrative control, and streamline billing. His vision has transformed Overpass into a platform that addresses the complex challenges of remote hiring, from sourcing and interviewing to onboarding and ongoing management. The future of work is undoubtedly remote, and companies like Overpass, led by individuals with the foresight and drive of Levi Popak, are at the forefront of this transformation. They are not just adapting to the changes. They are actively shaping them, creating a more flexible, efficient, and accessible global workforce. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.